I love you.
Love you.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I love you.
I love you.
You're touching again my phone. What did the doctor said?
No phone.
No phone for baby like you? Oh my. Oh, okay.
Skit akong brain.
Sakit imong brain if you are going to use phone, correct?
Correct.
Okay. But I'm going to let you use, but not all the time, okay?
Okay.
You have to play more often, okay?
Nope.
Now! Yes! Ah. Who's that pretty baby there? No? On the screen. Who's that?
It's me.
Is it you?
Yes, why is me there?
Why are you so pretty inside the phone?
Because I'm in the phone. You love me in the phone.
I love you in the phone?
Yes, why are you in the phone too?
Oh, because the camera is taking me too. Look at my hair, oh, it's like a forest, oh.
Yes, he's like a forest. Too.
Na, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ate Zia.